Hey guys, I have a short tutorial today that will teach you one way I add beads to my wall hanging. This method works really well if you are using beads with a hole that isn't quite big enough to thread macrame string through. Before we get started, I quickly want to remind you that I wrote a book and it is available for pre-order now. Please see the description for details on my book and how to pre-order. Thanks again so much for your support. Okay, let's get started on today's tutorial. This method works best if you create a diamond as I have here that has a hole in the middle. The bead then fits perfectly in the hole. If you'd like to learn how to make the design seen here, please see the description for a link. Grab a piece of sewing thread and a tapestry needle. Thread the needle through one side of the intersection of the diamond. Thread the needle through the bead and then through the other side of the diamond. Tie the sewing thread together at the back of your work. Thread the ends through the macrame string and cut off the excess sewing thread. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you!